Good morning, guys and girls. Welcome to Donk on the Road. My name's Donk. Just wanted to tell you what today's video is going to be about. Today's video starts off with a time-lapse footage of me driving to the Built Not Bought workshop. Wanted to add a bit of driving footage on there because my channel name is Donk on the Road, so I wanted to get a bit of footage of me actually on the road. And after that, the footage will carry on with me installing my 12-volt sockets to my cupboards next to my bed area. I hope you find this a little bit interesting. Hello guys, welcome back to Donk on the Road. On the way to the workshop this morning, I thought I'd give you a little bit of footage of us sitting in traffic, because there's temporary traffic lights everywhere at the minute. Today's job is we are going to be fitting 12-volt sockets and USB sockets to my bed area, which will look something like that. As you can see, I've just drilled out the 4 holes. Now let's get the hoover out, tidy up all this mess, because I have just made a great deal of mess. Back with you in a second. As you can see, I've got all 4 of them, all 4 sockets in. I've only wired up one because I haven't run the cables to them yet. I've just drilled the holes and put the sockets in, so I've still got to wire them up, run the cables to my fuse board, but the sockets are in, so we're moving in the right direction. Now to go and do the other 4 sockets down that end of the bed. And the plan up this end is exactly as the same as down the other end. Put 4 more sockets in. Hello guys, I'm back again. This is what I've built so far today. Some little wire and harnesses for the plug sockets that I fitted there and there, and all the way down that end. Excuse the mess everywhere, but I do live full time, so the van gets a little bit messy. As you can see guys, I have now wired them up. I haven't done anything too fancy. I've just done a hole straight through the thing into my garage area. I will show that to you at some point. As you can see there, I don't think that was too much of a bad wiring job. I'll quickly take you to the other end of the bed, where the other sockets are. As you can see there, I've wired them up all exactly the same. I've run the cables on the underlip of my cupboards, and these are not working, so I haven't put a fuse in it yet. As you can see, there is the hole. I've come out, gone straight into my fuse. Oh God! Gone straight into my fuse board. Now I've put that fuse in. The USBs up there should work. I have now got to have a tidy up in here because there is sawdust everywhere. But there we go, that is my basic electric setup. Underneath the carpet, I have two 160 AGMs. They run directly into a main breaker, so I can kill all of the electrics. So I can isolate all the electrics, sorry. I also have my solar running into that big bad monster breaker right there. My solar cable's up there, so I can isolate my solar panels from my MPPT Victron. I also have the 30 amp DC charger, which between the two I never hook it up to shore power, and even if I did hook up to shore power, I have no charger that charges these setups, so my setup is purely on the engine charging these batteries and the MPPT charging these batteries. I hope this is a little bit useful for you.